Yeah, hello friends. This is Sunil Pawar here, and I'm back with one more video. एक्चुअली काफ़ी दिनों के बाद मैं आप लोगों से मुलाकात कर रहा हूँ. Actually, I had given one free software through my YouTube and through my website. The name of the software was Stock Trend Predictor. So in today's video, actually I'll tell you how to use that software. So many people were asking me how to use that software. So I thought I should make one video. But most important thing is, please do not call me for this software. I am recruiting one person who will help you completely, and I will continuously I will put on the various videos which will guide you how to use that software. So let us see how to use that software quickly. So let us open. I have already opened sunilspower.com. This is Stock Trend Predictor software you get. There are 650 stocks. People are asking me, why sir, why we are not able to see SBI, Reliance there? Because all these stocks are high beta stocks. Means if Nifty goes 5%, SBI or Reliance will go 5% only above. I mean, if Nifty goes up 5%, Reliance SBI can go up 5% only. But these stocks will go 10%, 20% because these are high beta stocks. That is why these are selected stocks. Now, this is software. Now I'll show you how to use. In this software, there are options. Near open, near high, near low, near previous close. How to use these options and how to get correct signals. Near open means you take first date of the month, that is 1st Jan, 1st Feb, 1st March, 1st April, like that. Near close means last date of the month, means 31st Jan, 28th Feb, 31st March, every month. Near high means you enter the price of stock in software when the stock is near current month high or near last month high. Near low means you enter price of stock in software when stock is near current month low or near last month low. Enter prices as above only. Note buy and sell levels valid for next 30 days, and wait for the levels. Don't enter price every day, it will give wrong signals. Now I will tell you the live example. Here I am selecting D Mart. It has come here. Now here I will open D Mart share price. I am taking 1 month and I am taking price of 1st August. See the price on 1st August, 4235. So 4235 near open, get levels. These levels are already plotted here, but let us say if 4235 was the price, I have taken random figure just to refresh the software. 4235, is it correct price? Yes, it is correct price. 4235, get levels. So 4321 is the buy level, 4177 is the sell level. 4321 is the buy level, 4177 is the sell level. 4321 is buy level. Now, now, now we will see when the buy level was crossed. What is buy level? 4321, 4321, 4321, 4321. Here 4311. See, 7 October, 8 October, 7 October, 8 October. Here it has crossed the buy level. Here it has crossed the buy level of 4321. And then current price is 5360. Current price is 5360. 5360. So DMart buy price for October was 4321. 4321.86 means 4322. 4322 was the buy level. Both the targets were hit. Current price is 5360. Buy level was 4321. So I will calculate it like this. How we can calculate ROI? ROI is calculated like sale price. Let us assume this is the sale price 5360. Month is not complete, but still I am taking this as a sale price. Sale price minus buy price is 4235. What is the buy price? 4321. 4322 is the buy price. Current is 5630. 5360. So sale price minus buy price is the profit per share divided by buy price. What is buy price? 4322. Percent. This is the ROI. 30% return DMart has given as per stock trend predictor software. If any trader who uses stock trend predictor software, he put in 1st October price and took the signals of buy and sell, and if he bought the DMart as per buy price, and if he is holding for just for 15 days, he got 30% on his investment. So this is near open. Near close, quickly we'll see near close. Near close and near open is almost similar, you can say. Here near close price we will take 30 September price. 30 September price 4250. So there is no big difference. If you put in 4250 also, and if you click on get levels, the levels will be same. So as per previous close, as per near open, if anybody has taken position in DMart, he has got 30% return. So now my homework for you people is take any stock and click on YTD and take 1st Jan price and check what was the return ROI, return on investment for the month. Take 1st Feb price, check what was the return on investment as per the buy and sell levels given by STP. Take 1st March, to March, 2nd March. This way calculate each month return on investment given by stock trend predictor. For any stock, take 1st Jan, 1st Feb, 1st March, 1st April dates. Make one Excel sheet for yourself and check what return on investment that stock has given. In some month, maybe if there is sell signal, then return on investment is 0, because on sale we are not going to sell, because this is a cash software. We will count only buy signals. So in my next video, I will tell you how to use it on high and low. I have already told you, but I will tell you with the examples. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video.